Come here, Otto. Otto, come here. Well, come here. You're very pretty. You want to come up? Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, sweetie. I can get you. Come on. Come on, Otto. Here we go. Don't turn the shredder on. Come here. I'll get you. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness. There we go. How's that? Nope. Otto, what you want? This is a strange place. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, Otto? You do like to talk, don't you? Mm-hmm. You can come up. Hey, you can come up. Otto. Otto, you are a busy little thing, aren't you? Uh-oh. Otto, where'd you go? What is that? What is that? What is that? Come get it. Otto, you're so pretty. You're such a talker, too. Yes, you are. Go ahead and get a snack. We'll see you later.